So, as we rehab this old beehive, let's show some photos of another one. Just a little bit of housekeeping for the day. That is a Missouri Meerschaum Ozark Trail, and in it, Captain Black Dark as decreed by the gods. This is what the honeybees look like when they arrive here. This is what's called a package of bees. This one has about 10,000 bees in it, along with their queen in her own separate cage. In the hot summer months here in the US, the bees will cling to the outside in hopes of staying a little bit cooler. This activity is also called bee bearding because it looks like a beard hanging from the hive. Honeybees are fascinating and extremely docile little creatures, and they will not bother you if you don't bother them. Most of the time their details show up better on still images than video, so I'll share a couple of those right here. As we all know, bees are essential for pollination, and I get much higher yields from my garden by keeping beehives in close proximity. One might think that they need a lot of land to properly run a beehive, but that is completely incorrect. You can run a single hive like this in a typical suburban backyard. Not only will you be helping your own garden, but you'll also be helping the gardens and flowers of all your neighbors. So that's our bee house, or beehive as the case may be. Check out the link below for a very old video where we process honey from one of our hives. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.